Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So basically the soft reset, or the other name of it is force restart, will be useful if for some reason your device do not work properly. So for example, when it do not respond to your touches, it froze, or I don't know, the app crashed, then you can try to force restart it and hopefully the device will work perfectly fine after restarting. And in order to do that, you have to press two different buttons simultaneously. You have to press the power button and the volume up button together and wait. Usually in Android devices you have to only press the power button for a particular amount of time, but in this device it is assigned to the assistant, so it will simply open it and it will not be restarted. So as I said, just press the power button and the volume up button, and I have to check which fingers to use. Alright, I hope it will work, so let's press them. And just ignore those options, because we pretend that we cannot tap on them. So just keep pressing, and as you can see, we've got the developer's logo after the black screen, and right now your device will be restarted. So this is how to soft reset your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.